In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your online store using Wix. This guide will take you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the information you need to manage your products effectively. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. If you're not familiar, this is where you can make all the changes and adjustments to your website. Once you're logged into your Wix account, navigate to the editor, which is the heart of building your site. Here you can manage the layout, design, and important features like your online store. Now in the editor, let's move forward by typing Wix Store into the search bar, or navigating directly if you have a shortcut set up already. You're looking for the Wix Store application among your options, which is a powerful tool integrated into the Wix platform for managing e-commerce. After you locate the Wix Store app, go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you'll open up the store's interface where you manage all of your store settings, add products, and much more. At this stage, you'll almost feel like you're walking into your virtual storefront. Next, you'll see the option to click on Add Usad Sebad. This is an intuitive step designed to allow you to expand your product lineup and offer more options to your customers. This area is where the magic starts to happen as you begin to populate your store with your desired products. Once you have accessed the ad area, make sure you click on the Wix Store section again. Sometimes, navigating through multiple interfaces can get a bit overwhelming, but remember, the focus here is to ensure you are sitting in the right part of the editor to productively manage your store content. With the Wix Store tab open once more, let's click on Manage Products. This section is crucial. It's your command center for all things product-related. Here you can tweak details, manage inventory, check pricing, and basically have full control over each item's presence in your store. It's a great idea to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as regular updates here will help keep your store fresh and up to date. Finally, it's time to select a product. This step lets you focus on individual items and modify necessary attributes, description, price, or stock level. Managing your products here with attention to detail will ensure your store is always presenting shoppers with current offerings. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maintaining and updating a thriving online store via Wix. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on the creative and strategic elements of your e-commerce business. Happy selling and keep exploring the possibilities that Wix offers for your online storefront.